Hey guys, what's up? If you want to make an Instagram story video, it's very simple. You need the app Inshot. Okay, just open the apps, click on video icon, click new, select a video as you want. Okay. Then crop the video. Click on the crop icon and select the ratio Instagram 1.1. Then customize your crop and click OK. Wow. Then click on the canvas and zoom in or zoom out to customize the frame. Okay, you can change the filter. Here are many nice filter as you wish. Okay, I use this filter. You also can change the effect. There are many effects on there. Okay, you also can add some sticker, animated sticker, emoji and so on. You can also download more stickers and more emojis. Okay, you also can add text. As example, Ashik Daily. You can also customize your text, color, fonts and animation. Okay. Guys, I like the apps because it's very user friendly. Okay, you can add music, background music. Just click tracks, select my music and add a song as you wish. Okay, I select this. Now our video is totally ready.
I think I'm losing.
Hey guys, this is our video is ready to save. Okay, click the save button and select your resolution as you wish. Okay, our video is saving. It takes a few seconds to save. Okay, it's now we can save it.
I think I'm losing.